Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome to my pre-recorded video for the DIY yarn tassel flower. I kind of made one already, white. It was a little bit too short, but I'm just going to go through real quick. You're going to get a few different colors. You're just going to get this nice little light yellow marigold golden rod color, and you're going to get some yarn for the white flowers, and you're going to get some pipe cleaners. So the only thing that you're going to need is a fork and a pair of scissors. So what you want to do first is you're going to take the pipe cleaner and you're going to stick it on one end of the fork and hold it just like that. So we have our fork and the pipe cleaner at the end of one of the ends of the fork. It doesn't matter if it's the left side or the right side. So let me just cut a big piece of yarn here. Okay. Cut. Okay. And so what you want to do is, again, you're going to hold your fork just like this with the pipe cleaner, and you're going to take your yarn, the pre-cut yarn that will come in your kits, and you're going to start wrapping it around the fork prongs and the pipe cleaner. So it's gonna look just like this, and you're gonna wrap around. We're going to want to keep, I'm gonna move the pipe cleaner out a little bit. You're gonna wanna keep the pipe cleaner sticking above the fork like this, and you'll see why at the end. And you're gonna wrap around the yarn and keep wrapping, and just wrap only around the prongs, not around the whole entire fork. So we just want to stay up here. We don't want to go crazy and start going like that, because then our flower is going to look a little bit weird, unless you want a weird flower. So you're going to wrap and wrap, and I suggest wrapping around 25 to 30 times, but until it looks like this, nice and full. And then you're going to take your handy scissors that I almost lost, and I'm going to snip off a little bit at the end here. Okay. And now you're going to take your pipe cleaner and you're going to twist it at the end here to meet the bottom of the pipe cleaner where the yarn starts. And then you're going to do a few little twisty motions until that seamlessly twists into the end. And then you're going to remove the fork carefully. So now we have the beginning of the flower. And you're going to take your scissors again, and you're just going to start snipping at the top, right along the top. It's going to take a little bit to snip. I do not have the best scissors at the moment right now, but once you cut through all of it, you will have a flower, a dandelion like the one that I made here, except it's a little bit too short. So, and not full enough. I did not wrap it around enough, which is why you can see the green pipe cleaner sticking through. All right, and you're going to keep repeating this step until you have completed your yarn tassel flowers. And I'm going to include different colored pipe cleaners so you can have different colored stems. And if you have your own pipe cleaners and more yarn at home, feel free to make more colors. And also in the mason jar that it comes with, I don't have anything in terms of water or anything, but you can put something in here that you have at home. Like we have some beads here that I might fill it up with when I'm done. But I'm almost done cutting through all of it. All right, and once you are done, you kind of have a little flower there. Mine's not perfect. That's okay. I like it. Has a little long flower bud there, but again, I like it. And then you can either snake it into the little mason jar there, or you can keep the stem long if you want. And once you're done, you'll have an entire bouquet of yarn tassel flowers. So I will include a picture of my completed yarn tassel flowers at the end with my nice goldenrod dandelions and my white dandelions. Alright, so I hope everyone enjoyed this video. And I hope you enjoy making this craft. It's a lot of fun, and it's one of my favorites. And the flowers will never die because they're made out of yarn. But they will pop out of the mason jar if you keep it a little bit too long. So you could always cut the pipe cleaner just a little bit off the bottom so that it stays nice in the mason jar like that. Alright, so long everyone. I hope you enjoy the craft. Please send me pictures of your completed jars and what you do to add your little creativity pizzazz for your own very important person yarn flower tassel craft thing. Bye!